He had the knowledge. He had the audience. The only thing missing was AI. Meet a retired fishing guide with 40 years of expertise. In 2019, he decided to turn everything he knew into an online course. He spent months writing content, building pages, figuring out the technology. He made 3 sales. And then he quit. He didn't fail because his idea was bad. He failed because the tools available to him at the time made it nearly impossible to do alone. Fast forward to today, he rebuilt that exact same offer in 1 weekend. The idea was never wrong. The timing was. Here's what changed. He used ChatGPT to write all the content. He used Canva to design it. He used Gumroad to sell it. 3 free tools, 1 weekend. The same 40 years of fishing knowledge he already had. AI writes the content. AI writes the emails. AI writes the sales page. He just provides the expertise.
Tone is uplifting and empowering, like sharing a breakthrough that changes everything. Before, he was overwhelmed by technology, writing alone for months, earning almost nothing. Now, he earns $2,000 a month from the same idea, rebuilt in a single weekend. Same knowledge, same audience, better tools. Think about that for a moment. What idea did you give up on because the technology was too hard? What if you tried again? But this time, you had AI on your side. We built a free resource hub to help retirees learn exactly how to use these tools. ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad, step by step in plain English. No confusing jargon, no expensive courses. Go to retiredcitizensandai.com/guides. That's retiredcitizensandai.com/guides. And read our free tutorials today. Your idea might not be as dead as you think.